Access Tile Tactile Systems is the ultimate solution in detectable warning systems. Access Tile is the cost-effective solution to market demand for a better detectable warning tile. With over 20 years of proven manufacturing experience, Access Tile's improved design features exceed industry expectations from specifier to installer. Access Tile is the new industry standard. Manufactured in the USA, the intelligent design and precision engineering surpasses industry and regulated standards in all areas, including durability and weather resistance, slip resistance, structural integrity, and UV stability. Access Tile is cost-effective and easy to install and maintain. Access Tile meets and exceeds all state and federal regulations and ADA requirements. A wide 2.35-inch center-to-center inline dome configuration meets federal and state ADA requirements and creates a smooth, rolling transition for wheelchairs, walkers, and strollers. Tile geometry allows for consistent dome spacing between adjoining tiles, and the high-density, diamond grip pyramid micro texture is designed for exceptional slip resistance in wet and dry conditions. Access Tile offers two product designs. Both are efficient to install and provide superior performance. The cast-in-place replaceable tile is designed for installation in fresh concrete and allows for future replacement without concrete demolition and removal. Tamper-proof stainless steel fasteners maintain a flush interface with the walking surface. Corrosion-resistant anchors entrap the concrete for optimal anchoring. Multiple fastener locations ensure full anchoring of the tactile surface, and the perimeter flange and structural spine ensure stiffness and strength. The cast-in-place replaceable tactile system installs in minutes during the concrete finishing stage, and the anchor comes pre-assembled for error-free installation. Access Tile ships with a removable plastic film to provide a clean surface after installation. The Access Tile surface-applied tactile system is engineered to successfully upgrade any existing concrete surface to comply with federally mandated detectable warning requirements. Intelligent design features include a beveled perimeter edge which meets ADA vertical displacement requirements. Color-matched fasteners and strategically placed, pre-formed fastener holes make installation easy and enhance the installation's integrity. And the adhesive location is identified on the reverse side of the tile for error-free installation. The surface-applied tactile system allows for retrofit installation on existing concrete, and the tile is shipped complete with fasteners and tactile bond and seal adhesive. To install Access Tile cast-in-place replaceable tile, first, pour and float the concrete, maintaining a 4 to 7 inch slump range. Without removing any concrete, place the tile on the curb ramp 6 to 8 inches from the curb line. Tamp the tile in a grid pattern across the top face, embedding the tile into the concrete using a non-marring rubber mallet. Create an edge around the perimeter of the tile using a 3/8 inch radius edging tool. Then, float the concrete around the tile's perimeter using a steel trowel. Apply a broom finish to the curb ramp. After the concrete has substantially cured, remove the protective plastic wrap by cutting the plastic with a sharp knife tight to the concrete tile interface. To replace a tile, simply unscrew the tamper-proof fasteners. Then, tap the perimeter of the tile with a rubber mallet to remove the bond of tile to concrete. Use a pry bar to pry up the edge of the tile. Remove all debris from the vacant cavity mold. Vacuum or sweep all crevices. Insert the replacement fastener and gently apply pressure to seat the tile in recess. Then, reinsert the tamper-proof fasteners in the hex-shaped concrete anchors. To install Access Tile surface-applied tile, place the tile on the designated location and trace the perimeter with a thin, permanent marker. With the adhesive locations on the back of the tile as a guide, use a 4-inch diamond cup grinder to scour the concrete within the marked location. Clear away the dust with a leaf blower and clean the back of the tile and the concrete with acetone. Apply adhesive to the back of the tile. The first bead should be applied thin, a 1/2 inch from the perimeter edge, and a second, thicker bead should be applied an inch inside of the first. Set the tile true and square to the curb ramp and press down firm. While stepping down on either side of the preformed hole, drill down 3 inches into the concrete slab using a hammer drill and a 1/4 inch diameter carbide drill bit. While still applying pressure, remove the dust and any adhesive that surfaces and carefully set the supplied color-matched Tech anchor with a plastic-tipped hammer. Repeat these 2 steps while working across the tile until all preformed fastener locations are completed.